Welcome back to Fierce Hot Wheel, guys. It's Porsche time again. Previously, I reviewed these two Porsches, Porsche 996 and 911. I'm going to send you guys a link of them. Well, anyways, let me just shut this off real quick, put this away so it doesn't kind of blind you, and surprise you with this. I'm sorry, this is not a treasure hunt, but this is a cube package. Like I said, I'm not too good at identifying the letters, but the cube package on this really defines that this Hot Wheel was produced in end of September. Since Walmart is a great distributor and sells a lot of Hot Wheels, they get quicker than any other. If you go to like Fred Meyer's, they don't sell as much maybe. So they tend to get a little bit later Hot Wheels like this. If it was in September, they might come out like late October somewhere ish. But anyways, Walmart just dropped a lot of Hot Wheels, and I went and picked up a couple that I will also going to do some reviews later on. Some videos you've seen it, some we opened it. I still have a lot of Hot Wheels that are open that I want to review, so bear with me. I have like 20 or so Hot Wheels that are still in the package that I want to review. I'm not opening yet, so I just want to open in front of the camera and have you guys see it. The good news, I got the 4-lane racetrack builder. I'll send you a link on this one. It was previously, I uploaded yesterday. It was my son's birthday, so I bought it for him. And we're going to post some videos, some races. Maybe the Porsches. I have 918. I have a Porsche Carrera somewhere. Porsche GT. Where we could do some races with them and have the Porsche time. But anyways, let's open it and see. This is a 2019 Factory Fresh 10 out of 10, as you see. Number 246 out of 250, so coming close to an end of the 250 package. Let's look at it and go from there. Alright, pretty nice purple color. Do want to tell you guys, keep a lookout. There's a treasure hunt somewhere of this Porsche. If I would find a total grab and do a review on it. This one doesn't have a roll bar in real life. The Porsches have a roll bar on it. I like how they integrated all the extra details in it. Pretty nice. This airflow in here. Unlike this one's flush. Flat. This is a 2016 edition. 2016 edition. They modified it, just like what I say. They had a 2011 to 2013 Hot Wheel Porsche that had plastic spoiler. And then in 2015, they redesigned it and made it part of the body as a metal one. Now, 2016, they redesigned it. They made it longer, so if you look at it, the difference on it. This is the newer, of course. This is a 2018, 2019 Porsche of the new style. This is an older style, a previous generation of Hot Wheel. So the spoiler is a little less. Pretty nice. What I believe, as far as I know, I remember I've been shooting down the Tesla Model 3. No, not but a Porsche Carrera. One of the hatchbacks. The electric one, actually, and it had the windows, the headlights, all plastic. So this, if you take it apart, this has holes, and this is actually part of the plastic, the headlights. So if you look at it, like you see how this one, it all just kind of blend and paint it. This is all smoked out plastic windows. If you guys didn't know that, pay attention to detail. Let's see. This is a Trap 5 wheels, gas cap, headlight, mirrors, Hot Wheel logo, GTRS, the GT3 RS logo. Pretty nice looking, guys. One day I'm gonna do the racetracks on them, do the speed test. So if you want to tell me how fast you think they're going to go down the stairs when I put them on the slides and race with them. So maybe when I do the races, I have a couple Porsche. I have, like I said, Panameras. And also we're going to open them up and do that. But this Hot Wheel is based off of a 2019, let's just say 2019 Porsche that had a, well, 2016 Porsche that had a 4.0 liter cage in the back, 500 horsepower. It went in Nürburgring, the racetrack in Germany, where they test all the cars and the performance, especially the exotic, the high performance cars. Take it to the limits. It went around the racetrack in 7 minutes and 20 seconds, which is not bad. So you guys tell me maybe what you want to, what you want me to do, what races. Maybe one of these days when I have kids, my kids or my nephew and nieces, and we're going to do some different racetracks with them once I have time. It's just sometimes they don't want to play with it, but anyways, thank you for watching, guys. Here's a Porsche time. One day maybe I'll do all the Porsches stand out. So see you next time. Have a good one. Just to let you know, guys, one thing I forgot, that this is the predecessors of these Hot Wheels, of the real cars. So this is newer, just a predecessor, and the predecessor of this Porsche was this one. So nice classic collection of Porsche's predecessors.